for 40 monkeys that escaped from the Alpha Genesis facility in Yemassee.
Well, Frank, good morning. So yeah, like you mentioned, 40 monkeys escaped from the Alpha Genesis facility. It happened around 9:45 last night, and police are asking anyone to just, if they see them, to stay away, and that's why we're here at the municipal complex here in Yemassee. But here's what police are doing right now to find those monkeys. Like I mentioned, 40 monkeys escaped 9:45 last night.
Take your stinking paw off me, you damn dirty ape!
No!